everyone, my name is Ben at TV Parts Today, and in today's video we are going to be talking about cross-compatible parts and newer versions of parts. There are many different parts and part numbers that we can find in the back of our TV at home. When we are looking for a replacement part for a defective board, we will sometimes run across what we call a cross-compatible part, or a CROSS for short. These can be very helpful if the part that we are looking for is out of stock or is very difficult to find. When it comes to crosses, what we are talking about is a functionally identical part. This means that we are going to have the same plugs and ports. We're going to have the same mounting holes. And when it comes to main boards, we will have the same software on the part. Effectively ensuring 100% compatibility. These crosses could be from a television with a different model number. It could have a different part number, but the manufacturer has confirmed that the two parts do function as though they are identical. Now I'll be talking about newer versions of parts. Sometimes a manufacturer will release a newer version of a board that could be in our television at home. While we can use these as crosses in a lot of situations, we would need to still ensure compatibility in our specific set for that part. In almost every situation, the manufacturer will apply a brand new part number to these newer versions of the boards. So while on the surface it might look like a cross, in actuality it is functionally an identical newer version of that board. There are some exceedingly rare cases where a manufacturer will add a V2 or a V3 after a part number to denote which version that it is. But in a vast majority of cases, we do see a brand new, just absolutely unique part number that is applied to the newer version of the board. For all of the tens of thousands of parts that we have in our inventory here at TV Parts Today, I've only run across one or two different parts that actually use a version number or a revision number, meaning that in a lot of cases we can just ignore this revision, this version number that we find on our boards. But once again, it is always important to check compatibility with your specific model before swapping any parts at all in your television. All right, that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions about this or any other TV repair, please give us a call at 930-212-1975, or you can send us an email to info@tvpartstoday.com. That's info@tvpartstoday.com. We do offer free troubleshooting advice. We can help you match up part numbers with your model number. We are here to help you however we can. Also, don't forget to like the video, leave us a comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you next time.